Welcome back to Great Day St. Louis. Anyone who wishes to become an attorney knows that it takes dedication and a whole lot of school and student loans, right? And studying. But one law firm is allowing students to step out of the classroom and into the courtroom for some hands-on learning. How about that? Sounds great. Todd Mandel is an experienced attorney and the owner of the Mandel Law Group, a distinguished boutique firm nestled in the heart of the Central West End, specializing in personal injury. And he brought along law student and legal clerk Mackenzie Beaver. Thank you so much, both of you, for being here. We appreciate it very much.
Great to be here.
Mackenzie, literally, I said, well, you're first thing in the show today, so we'll get you in, we get you out. And she said, good, because I got to get back to class.
Yes.
So let's talk about this classroom to courtroom approach. What's that all about?
Well, a lot of times I bring students in as interns so that they can get experience in an actual law firm, because when they're in law school, when I was in law school, we just learned the cases and we used books, but to actually get real world experience helps the student really learn about what's going to happen in their future.
Mm-hmm. And you said you've been doing this for a while now, and you've seen some of your interns go on and do some great things.
Yeah, I've had a number of interns that I'm super proud of. They've done really good things. So it's fun for me to watch the next generation come in and help mentor them and show them what it's like to be in the real world.
I was going to say, I bet it's very satisfying.
It is.
Gratifying
It
to see them move on and do that.
And to watch their careers develop over the years and think maybe I had some part of it.
Yeah. Mackenzie, let's talk about you. What is it like trying to juggle, because law school is pretty busy on its own. What's it like trying to juggle the books and trying to take away from this guy as much as you can while you're in that office, right?
Yeah, absolutely. It's definitely a balancing act, but I really appreciate taking what I learn in my textbooks and integrating it into a real world experience. And what I enjoy the most is that every day is something a little bit different. Mm-hmm. So, from going to the classrooms where I learn the same thing for about a week to jumping back into the office where I have something new every single day, it's just a great experience for me.
Sure, and as an attorney, you're going to be juggling things too, and you're managing your time, so it's a good experience. What sets your law group apart from other law firms that are handling personal injury? Traffic law, that kind of thing.
Yeah, well, basically, we're a smaller firm. We're a boutique firm, I like to call myself, as opposed to some of the giant firms. And you see on TV people competing to be, I'm the biggest, I'm the biggest. I'm proud to be a smaller. And the largest restaurant in St. Louis is McDonald's. It doesn't make them the best. That's what I always say. Mm-hmm. So we like to be able to give personal attention to each client and really make sure their case goes the best way possible. I
mean, you're the guy at the top in a boutique firm, and so people are going to be talking to you.
Yeah, exactly. When I meet with clients, I meet with them. As opposed to some of the bigger firms, you actually don't meet the people that are on TV, but you will meet with me and I will handle the case.
If you could give viewers, I want to start with Mackenzie. This could be interesting. Let's talk about some of your takeaways so far. If you could give, with the experience that you've had at Mandel, some practical tips regarding accidents, what would they be?
I would say one of the biggest things is if you get into an accident and you start to feel some pain afterwards, make sure you go to the doctor. That's going to be the big thing. You need to get that care. He provides a lot more tips. Anything else?
Yeah, well, the other thing is,
Good job, though.
The other thing is make sure to get a police report. Make sure if there's any witnesses that the police talks to them, because that can be crucial to your case. I've seen cases lost when there was a witness and the police didn't talk to them, because a lot of times these are he said, she said. So a witness is crucial. And also, do not, under any circumstance, sign any sort of release or any document the insurance company gives you unless and until you speak with me.
All right. Thank you so much. Best of luck to you, young lady.
Thank you.
We want to see you back here soon sitting on this side of the couch.
Absolutely.
Okay, how's that?
After class.
Okay. Thank you so much, both of you. For an experienced attorney in personal injury cases, contact the Mandel Law Group, and guess what? You're going to talk to the boss. 314-533-1234, or you can reach out online at injuredinmo.com.